The delivery company sends you a unique access code to your mobile device. Once you click on the link, the delivery robot's secure lid opens up and you have access to your package. Delivers.AI is designed to autonomously deliver food, groceries, and other parcels from shops directly to customers' doorsteps. Headquartered at a tech hub at Istanbul Technical University, the company's delivery robots aim to dramatically lower clients' operational costs while streamlining the logistical process. These delivery robots use advanced GPS, LiDAR, and AI to navigate busy streets and sidewalks, ensuring efficient and safe deliveries. The contactless delivery model is also environmentally friendly, with the bots having zero emissions. The growth potential is immense, with the market for autonomous delivery expected to surge, driven by increasing demand for quick, contactless delivery solutions. And in just a few years, analysts predict these robots will become an integral part of the urban landscape, revolutionizing how we receive goods. So what we saw during the pandemic was the proliferation of home and office deliveries, but this is going to be a real disruptor, isn't it?
Correct. Actually, we also started during the pandemic, just 1 month after the pandemic started, which was in 2020 April, and then we founded our company in July of 2020. It has been 4 years of a endeavor, let's say, of a journey. So we have started during that period. If it wasn't for the pandemic, we wouldn't be able to come at this stage, let's say. And we believe like it's going to be increasing a lot of robotic technologies and delivery options on the road, as well as on the pavements, on the sidewalks, in close future as well. However, pandemic increased the speed of evolvement of that, let's say.
So this technology, it is unmanned and it is autonomous. Tell me a little bit more.
Yeah, sure, it's definitely unmanned and it's definitely autonomous. We are like around about 90% autonomy level we have. We are going over the pavement and sidewalks mainly. So within 1 mile area, we do whole deliveries from location A to B in a given neighborhood, from either restaurants for food, groceries, and the parcels as well from the delivery unit to the close by locations within the last mile delivery option, let's say.
So you said that this delivery robot runs on pavements, and sidewalks around the world can be uneven. They have its own challenges. Is it a big of an obstacle for this robot to get up and down sidewalks?
Actually, we are one of the companies who can overcome that challenge. We can climb up to 20 centimeters of sidewalk. There hasn't have to be any slopes to be able to climb the sidewalk. We can just 20 centimeter climb easily. We do the operations on the pavement mainly. It's going up and down of the sidewalk to cross the crosswalk, let's say, or the traffic lights. It's not a hard job for us. In terms of the regulation side, it's okay to navigate autonomously on the pavements, on the sidewalks, but to go over the car roads, you have to take manual control from the teleoperation and teleassistance center, which we have, and there, after passing the crosswalks or the traffic lights, then you put it back to the autonomous mode to make the deliveries. As said, the locations have to be 1 mile, 2 mile maximum. To do the neighborhood deliveries, let's say. That is the main use case that we are serving.
This is a disruptor in many senses. How is this going to affect the labor force?
Yeah, actually, although we are like, we are changing the deliveries, how the deliveries are made, right? But it's not meaning like we are creating unemployment, but on the other hand, we are also creating jobs for behind the screens in the teleoperation and teleassistance center, where these courier people are able to monitor the robots, intervene if any emergency situation occurs, and then it's like a pros and cons. So there will be less congestion on the streets by the couriers, there will be less danger, less traffic accidents compared to the robots, and they'll be able to work behind the computer screens, let's say. So there are pros and cons. It's better working environment for them, actually.
Okay, I have to play devil's advocate here. If you are expecting a delivery and if I'm walking down the street, what's stopping me from actually opening up the lid and perhaps steal your delivery before it gets to you?
Its actual the lid is really locked. It's not easy to open it. It's as hard as opening the trunk of a car, right? So it's not very easy. Either you need an iron or something like that to be able to open it. We also have sensors, and we have a monitoring team just in case of vandalism, let's say, who monitors at all times. So the sensor senses if anyone is playing with the robot, is interrupting the robot, or trying to hold it up, etc. We have a GPS to track if it's being theft, let's say, if it's being stolen. And it's not easy to open it actually. It's like if your motorbike or car is safe, then this is safe as well.
It's been 4 years since you started. Where do you see this technology in another 4 or 5 years?
In 4 or 5 years, we want to be able to reach up to 5,000 to 10,000 robots in various cities and countries, let's say. Currently, our operations are in UK, in Belgium, in Poland, in Netherlands, in Turkey. And we have had also Spain in the past, and the goal is to be able to spread these robots all around the world as the regulation permits and as the demand for them increases.
Could we also foresee a scenario where one delivery robot actually is carrying multiple orders on the same delivery route?
Currently we do one at a time. We are working on the 3 and 4 compartment robots as well, which will increase the efficiency as well. But this is efficient already with one compartment at delivery at one time, let's say.
Robots could turn out to be better at deliveries than humans.